Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, a policeman is hospitalized and a prisoner is on the run after making a dramatic escape while in custody. The escapee, 31-year-old Ricardo Richards, also known as Kaka, fled custody while being treated at a National Chest Hospital in St. Andrew. We have the details in this report.
This is the inmate who broke free from police custody sometime after 1 p.m. Friday. Police say 31-year-old Ricardo Richards, also known as Kaka of 9 Miles Bull Bay in St. Andrew, was taken to the National Chest Hospital for treatment under police guard. But he had other plans. His handcuffs were removed while he was being treated by a doctor. Senior Corporate Communications Officer at the JCF, Stephanie Lindsay, says based on the type of treatment, this had to be done.
We understand that when the handcuff was removed, he attacked the policeman and managed to take his firearm. The other policeman, based on what was happening, he intervened and was shot, and the man ran away with the firearm. So there's currently a team that's out there searching for him as we speak.
Mr. Richards is already facing murder charges, illegal possession of firearm and ammunition, as well as shooting with intent. The incident is the latest in a series of attacks on members of the police force, a concern for law enforcement.
It is something that has been happening to the police officers for a long time, but with the advent of technology and social media, the reality is written home, the extent to which it's happening and the frequency.
The police are appealing to persons knowing the whereabouts of Ricardo Richards to contact them.
We know that he's originally from Rosetown in the Kingston Western Division. We also know that he sometimes frequents Bull Bay, the dirt road area and its environs. We also know that he frequents the Barbican area. So those are some places that he would probably like to go to try to escape being caught. So we are searching for, so people in those areas, they can look out for him. Bear in mind that he's likely to be armed and dangerous because he's in possession of a weapon.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.
Now, meanwhile, the management of the National Chest Hospital in St. Andrew described the incident as a nerve-wracking and unpleasant experience. Senior Medical Officer Dr. Terry Baker says psychological support is being provided to people who witnessed the shooting. The incident happened in view of patients, visitors, and hospital staff.
Hospital compound is quite nerve-wracking, not just for workers, but also for patients. So it is an unpleasant, harrowing experience. I think the staff dealt with it in terms of the emergency of the situation and getting help to those who needed urgent help, and that has been dealt with. And now we are speaking with our staff and getting the psychological support as needed for our staff.